Hey everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to delete an image from your Weebly website. Whether it's a mistake or you just want to update your site's look, deleting an image is super simple. So let's get started. First of all, open the web browser on a mobile device and go to Weebly's official website, that is www.weebly.com. Once you have logged in, you will be redirected to your dashboard. From there, click on the hamburger option on the bottom left corner of the screen and click on the option saying website and click on edit sites. Here you will be able to see all your website, and depending upon the one you want to edit, click on the option saying edit. After that, you will be redirected to the Weebly editor app where you can edit different options. Once you land on the Weebly editor, spot the image that you want to delete. For reference, I want to delete this image, so that I will first click on it. Here you won't be able to see the delete image. For that, you will have to hold the image for a while. From there you will see a cross option which is at the top right corner of the screen. So simply click on it. And there you will see an option saying are you sure you want to delete? So simply click on delete. And like that, you have deleted the image on your Weebly editor. And if this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next one.